chair back there, and as well we have a little birdie that we found in our lobby. It was I'm gonna show, yeah, he was outside of our lobby. I'm gonna show you, insert a picture on here so you guys can see him. So right now we had a call placed to see if they would take an injured bird. He was just sitting there not moving. He was breathing but not moving, and it looks like his leg is injured, so that's why he wasn't moving at all. So right now we're taking him to like a clinic, a bird clinic that accepts, you know, wild birds, and they'll take care of him besides us going to an animal hospital and put him in there, and they're not really doing anything about it. Maybe they will, maybe they not, but of course they're gonna need probably money to pay for whatever's wrong with him. So yeah, so right now we're traveling south to drop him off, and hopefully he'll be okay. So far, Aaliyah said that he pooped and peed.
He's inside of a box right now.
Yeah. So now we arrived with the team, and this is the center. Hopefully he'll be good. He's in the box. Hey, he's moving.
Yeah.
He's like free. Yeah. I'm gonna. Hey, booby.
He would have picked him up and done anything, he would have died because he was just sitting there, not doing anything.
Look at him.
Something's wrong with his foot, I think.
Did you see him like hit a window?
No,
I don't know.
he was
I
outside in the lobby.
assume that he did hit the window just because our.
It's oven birds, for some reason, they're like prone.
Oh.
Every time we get an oven bird in, it's because someone said that they hit a window.
Oh.
So can you do me a favor though?
Sure.
Yeah.
For being trained.
Oh.
So we're training him.
Awesome.
That's why I'm taking him out before I cook
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
So he gets a little nervous sometimes, so we just try to get him
Of course.
acclimated to seeing people.
He's beautiful.
He is so beautiful.
Great horned owls are all over the United States. The further north you go, the bigger they are.
Awesome.
They're part of the raptor family, and they do eat meat.
Wow, they're descendants from raptors.
Well, birds of prey.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought you meant like the dinosaurs.
Well, they are.
Wow.
Raptor, in today's sense, is actually birds of prey.
Wow.
And
Aaliyah, look.
it actually descends from a velociraptor.
Wow.
That's where the name comes
Yeah,
from.
velociraptor,
Because they do
yeah.
hunt, obviously, with
A boy.
He's a big boy, man. Like a big bear raccoon.
Yeah, one of these two is named Rocky, and then the blonde one is named
Oh,
Blondie.
we have a ferret named Rocky.
I mean, Rocket or Rocky?
Oh, Rockies
Rocket, my bad.